Hey, Jake with Superior Diesel here. Today we're dealing with the 2011 Chevy, come in with a no start issue. I ended up diagnosing it down to this sensor. It tells the truck how much life is left on the fuel filter by checking the pressure on the back side of the fuel filter, kind of in between fuel filter side and the injection pump. It was leaking right through itself, so fuel was coming out where the electricity goes in, which is not good. We replaced that, put a new fuel filter on it, and the truck's a runner again. Luckily, that sensor is a really easy one to change, as it lives kind of just right near the top on the engine here. Just this guy right there. So it was a pretty quick one.